Hi, this is Barb with the Tech Teach Grow team with another tip of the week. Hello, everyone. Screencastify Submit is a way for students to submit video recordings or recordings of their desktops, just like you would with Screencastify when you're recording, to any assignment that you would like them to do so. The first thing we need to do is check to see that your Screencastify Submit is integrated into Google Classroom, if that is where you would like to post your assignments. From your Screencastify Submit, first you're going to go to the icon up in the extensions and then click on the three lines and find Submit to get to this page. Then we're going to go to My Account and we're going to check the integrations to see that Google Classroom is turned on. The first screen is the subscription that we have here at HSD. And then if you click on integrations, you will see that there is a Google Classroom integration. You want to make sure that this is on. If it's toggled off, no problem. You click on it to toggle it on. You click on your user or your email address actually, and then click allow. Once that goes away, it is now connected. I suggest that at this time you refresh the page just to make sure that it is connected and it is on. From here, you can create a new assignment by going to submit and you're going to click on new assignment. Now you will see that Google Classroom is an option or generating a link. If you decided not to turn on Google Classroom, what you would see instead at the first, after you click on new assignment, is what type of recording type you would like for them to do. If you're not connected to Google Classroom, you would need to copy a link and get it to them, however you choose to do so. You have the option of having them record themselves on the screen while they're recording whatever they're presenting on their screen. Or they could just do a video, or they could do just a screen recording similar to what I'm doing right now. I'm going to choose webcam recording or webcam recording only and click next. Now you will title your assignment. This is a great tool for students to use if they like a way for students to record a speech should there be any anxiety or anything around those. You would give student instructions here and click next. Now you have to choose your classroom, whichever classroom you're going to be putting it into. All students is your only option. Actually, that's not true. You have students. If you have students in your class, you should be able to choose them. Give them the point value of the lesson. If you're doing a 4-point scale, maybe put 4 points down. Then the due date. And then the topic. The topic is wherever you would like it to go within your Google Classroom. I don't have any topics set up, so there's no option for me. And then you can either click assign, or if you click on the arrow, you can schedule it for a later time. I'm going to go ahead and assign it. As you can see, after it loads, I can view on Classroom or just close. And here is my new assignment. I have 0 submissions. When I want to close the assignment so no other submissions can be submitted, you click on the 3 dots and click Close Assignment. Now, if I wanted to, I can view any submissions or the assignment on Google Classroom, and you can just go into it and grade it as you normally would.